I know we're running a room in here. Look at my Victorios. You better hold on to your wife's hand, gentlemen. All the husbands here tonight, all the boyfriends, hold your wife's tight close to your side. Because with this definition, there's going to be some repercussion. Here goes the last verse, ladies and gentlemen. I met this girl, her name was Katrina. She worked at the hospital as a cleaner. She said she would love me forever, only if I married her, 'cause she was a overstay. Hey lady, that's why to all my Hawaiian friend here, to all my American friend here, beware of the salmon women. Because they don't want a relationship. They don't want a partnership. They don't want a friendship. All they want is a citizenship. This is your last job tonight. This last song I'm about to sing it tonight, it goes a little something like this. Don't clap. That was too fair with that. Just because you're from KBT, it doesn't give it a right. Or you're from Colorado Valley. Don't clap. Unless I tell you to clap, you clap. The last thing you want me to do is come down.